pupunta na po tayo ngayon sa Paso Cave. So, andun ang sign, makikita dyan, Paso Cave. So, andun na, ayan si Jamie, saka yung ibang kasama natin. Hello, Cass.
Oh.
Cass is here to dominate Mount Bulabog. And here, this is a very rare fossil of a shell. So, mga ganito, pinapamamahayan to ng mga slug. So, wag din natin, hayaan na natin yan. This is the canopy of the forest. As you can see, it is a natural canopy. So, may part na dito, siguro kailangan na ng konting susi para hindi na makapasok ng araw. Doon pa rin.
Ito na. Paso Cave in the house.
Okay, Paso Cave. Remember, Paso Cave. Okay, but we're going to another cave. A cave that is more exciting than Paso Cave. And the name of that cave is Namno.